Hi everyone, today we are going to be talking about 5 anti-aging skincare products that I am absolutely loving at the moment. Some of them are pretty much brand new to market, but I've been trialing them out for a few weeks, as I like to do with skincare products, in order to really collate my thoughts, give the skincare a while, really be consistent with it before I form my opinion and share that with all of you. And some of them have been around for a while. It's just, I've taken my time. What can we say? Anyway, we're going to get straight on with it. If you are new here, hi, my name's Gemma. I upload new content on YouTube every single week. I'm actually a trained esthetician and beauty therapist here in the UK, but I no longer practice in a clinic or a salon as my full-time job is now YouTube. I would love it if you're finding this video helpful at any point. Please consider clicking on the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. So this video is sponsored by City Beauty, who have some amazing skincare on their website, especially targeted to those of us who are over 40, and I am well and truly in that camp. Some anti-aging creams, lotions, serums, just you name it, they have it, and it's seriously, seriously good. So if you've never checked out the City Beauty website before, I highly recommend that you do, and I do have an offer code for you, which I'll give you at the end of this section. A lot of people may think that the City Beauty products that I'm going to be talking about in this anti-aging skincare video is not skincare. Well, I would completely disagree with you, and hopefully in the next 2 minutes I am going to change your mind, because there are some amazing anti-aging ingredients within this product and it works instantaneously, and also with continuous use is going to give you long-term benefits. This is the City Beauty City Lips Plumping Lip Gloss, and before you say you've tried loads of plumping lip glosses before, why would you buy another one? Most of them don't work. Honestly, this is way more than a plumping lip gloss. The ingredients in here are so good. If you have lips like mine, if you have thin, dry, crusty, cracked, or wrinkled lips, this is going to be your new best friend. You are going to need several of these, one in your handbag, one by your bed, one on your makeup station. Honestly, they are superb and, again, work instantaneously. So I'm going to show you me applying one of these lip glosses just so you can see the state of my lips before, and then within seconds how they transform. You can use these in several different ways. You can use them as a lip gloss. You can wear them as a topper over your lipstick, or like I said, as the prep stage, as a moisturizer before you apply any of those products. So it is a multi-purpose tool. It has a really thick, kind of sticky consistency, which doesn't sound very pleasant, but it's that sticky consistency that actually makes this stay around for a prolonged amount of time. So if you are using it as a lip gloss, this doesn't budge off your lips. And actually, this is probably the best lip gloss that I have in my collection for prolonged wear. So let's talk ingredients. These have really soothing moisturizers in. They've got jojoba oil in there. They've also got soothing ingredients like ylang ylang flower oil. They've got really hydrating ingredients, hyaluronic acid spheres and glycerin in there for seriously deep hydration. You've got ceramides in there to reinforce and repair the lip-skin barrier as well, which is incredibly important, especially for me, who really doesn't look after my lips in a sense that I bite them continuously. And they also have oligopeptides in there to smooth the appearance of fine lines, really plumping up the lip, making it look really healthy, but also promoting a fuller lip over time as well. And with continued use of this, you'll see a lot less lip wrinkles over time. So I promised you an offer code. It's GEMMA30. The first 100 customers to use that offer code will get 30% off site-wide, and then customer 101 or more will get 15% off site-wide. So it's definitely worthwhile checking out the link in the description box. Let's move on. So I fell in love with Beauty of Joseon a while ago. I've tried a lot of their products, but on the back of falling in love with a few of them, I decided to go out and buy some more. So glad that I did, because I've found this product that is just super. It is rich, it is creamy, and it seriously does the job. This is the Beauty of Josie and Red Bean Refreshing Pore Mask. And if you have problematic skin like me, this is lovely. It is a detoxing mask. However, it's not one of those detoxing masks that is purely clay, although this does have some in there, that dries down and pulls out the moisture from your skin that you actually need. This one I find doesn't dry down fully on my skin. Please let me know if it does on yours, but I've used this so many times now and it's still quite creamy when I'm taking it off, and I love that about this because it does the job without really having any of those nasty side effects that some clay masks can have. So this, like I've said, is a detoxifying mask. You may not need that within your skincare routine. Just because it's fantastic for me with my problematic skin does not mean this is going to be right for you. However, it's got kaolin clay in there to help absorb any excess oils and help loosen any pore blockages that you might have. And it's also made up of 30% red bean extract. Now, red bean extract is not only known to help boost skin elasticity and suppleness, but it can also exfoliate, and this exfoliates in two different ways. So red bean extract just sat on the surface of the skin will help exfoliate. However, this also has red bean powder in here to physically exfoliate the skin. So if you choose to, if your skin is not sensitive, you can also massage this into the skin to physically exfoliate the skin as well. This is also alcohol and fragrance free, and it is not one of those fragrance free masks that you take the lid off and go, oh, that smells a little suspect. Smells gorgeous, which is a win-win for me because I do like a face mask that makes me feel really luxurious and special. This does that, and it also works and does what I want it to do. This next product has actually surprised me how much I really like this and how it really tugs on my heartstrings. This is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Rescue Solution. I'm not sure why I'm so surprised that I like this because I really like the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I didn't want to like it because it's supremely expensive and I've just never been that sure why it's been that expensive. But my skin loves it. So sometimes there's no rhyme or reason why your skin loves something. Sometimes it really grabs on to the affordable products. Sometimes not so much. And this is one of those cases, although I have to say, it does a very similar job, different ingredients entirely, but it does a very similar job to the Ordinary's Soothing and Barrier Support Serum that I spoke about in a video not long ago. And yes, this is a brand new one in the box because I really like it so much I need a spare. So there we go, had to buy another. This does a very similar job. Like I said, completely different ingredients, but this is for the person that wants to spend a little bit more on their skincare to soothe and hydrate and really look after that skin barrier and wants a bit of luxury in their life as well. If you are not one of those people, go for the Ordinary every day of the week. You're going to get a very similar result. This one, though, just makes my skin sing and gives me that warm, fuzzy feeling inside that I just want to knock out of me, but it's just there. It's such a shame. I really do like it though. So let's go into the ingredients and what it can do for the skin, because that at the end of the day is what's important, as well as the beautiful packaging and the way that it makes me feel. So this is such a liquidy consistency. It's practically like water. So it sinks into the skin effortlessly and you cannot feel anything on the skin when this is on, which I love. So the whole purpose of this product is to reduce and prevent irritation. It's got perfidus ferment in there and also yeast extract to reduce redness, and it rapidly reinforces the skin barrier also. So if the skin barrier is reinforced, you're going to hold on to hydration throughout the day and it's going to prevent any transepidermal water loss. So you're really going to have lovely hydrated skin for a longer period of time. This has also got tripeptide 32 in here, which is a peptide. It's exclusive to Estee Lauder, and it helps to plump and smooth and really feather out those fine lines and wrinkles. And it's also full of antioxidants and humectants like glycerin and sodium hyaluronate as well. So lovely ingredients in here, really beautiful product. It's not going to be for everybody. And if you don't suffer from irritated skin, if you don't want to reinforce that skin barrier, if your skin barrier is absolutely phenomenal all by itself, you don't need this. You do not need this. But if you do suffer with a lot of redness, if you're outside then inside, if your skin suffers from dehydration during those autumn-winter months, and you like a bit of a bougie product, so nice. Let's talk about this cleanser for a second. I have no idea why more people aren't talking about this because I think it is lovely. It seriously cleanses deep in my skin, making my skin feel super, super clean without stripping anything that is essential from my skin, which I love about this product. It is super gentle, but it does a job, and it does it very quickly, and it also feels very luxurious as well. This doesn't foam up. This is like it lathers, but it's not bubbly. It's very, very thick and quite velvety when you rub it between your hands. So you need very, very little of this and a lot of water, and it lathers up, and then you can lather it further on the skin as well, and it can go quite dry because it sinks into the skin a little bit, so you keep on having to wet your fingers and massage it in a little bit more. This is formulated with skin-friendly amino surfactants which work incredibly effectively but are also very gentle on the skin. It's also got 5% glycerin within the formula, which is incredibly hydrating. There aren't nourishing ingredients in here, so if you like a cleanser that's really nourishing, that's going to give you a lot of skin benefits, this isn't going to be it, and that's probably going to be for at least 70% of my audience. So just want to be real here, my skin loves it, but you may not. It's also got 1% panthenol in here, so again, very, very soothing, which is just what my skin likes. Last product in this video, and this is a super product. If you use really high strength retinoids and you're looking for something to really nourish your skin and make sure your skin doesn't get any irritation or dryness, you're wanting to really pack a punch with those hydrating and nourishing ingredients, but you're not wanting something heavy on your skin before you go to bed, this next product you probably need in your life. I did not know how much I needed this until it landed on my doorstep. This is PR. I did not go out and buy this myself. I just want to let everybody know this, but I'm so glad they sent this to me because this wasn't even on my radar. I don't think I'd have ever bought this. But I'm glad I now have it in my arsenal of skincare products. This is from Borean, and it's the Skin Therapy. It is divine. This not only has hyaluronic acid to plump and hydrate, squalane to nourish, PHA to smooth and exfoliate and also hydrate as well, zinc PCA to reduce the appearance of blemishes, and bisabolol to also soothe. It also has 17 super plant extracts within the formula as well, which do a plethora of different things. So this can moisturize and maintain hydration, improve your skin tone, boost your natural radiance, fight the signs of aging, improve skin firmness, and also relieve irritation and discomfort on the skin. I don't know if this does every single one of those things for me because I've not been using this for long enough, so I can't really say that. All I can say at this moment in time is, oh, wow. This feels lovely on my skin. It's not a heavy, oily consistency, which I love. It's a very watery oil consistency and sinks into my skin beautifully, not leaving a filmy residue on the surface, which I really, really like. And yeah, it just feels gorgeous. So that's it for this video. I've just looked down at the monitor and seen that the top that I have decided to wear in this video, which is new by the way, it's from Zara, it's very, very comfortable and I really love it. The neckline does accentuate a second chin somewhat, which I'm a little bit gutted about, I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, I just need to sit up straight and elevate my neck like a giraffe every time I'm going to be wearing this top. My mum did always tell me off for slouching when I was younger. Maybe she was right. Don't tell her. I so hope that you have enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I have popped the link for the City Beauty website at the top of the description box. Don't forget my offer code GEMMA30 that the first 100 customers will get 30% off. The second 100 and beyond will get 15% off site-wide, so definitely check that out. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye everyone.